Hello and welcome to CAD Maniac. This is part 3 of making a simple floor plan using AutoCAD 2022 version. You can download and install AutoCAD 2022 tutorial linked in the I button. And I hope this tutorial series will be beneficial for both civil as well as architecture students. So in the previous parts of the simple floor plan making, we have created the walls and also the doors and windows. Links provided in the description section. And in this AutoCAD 2D drawing tutorial, we'll add different blocks from Design Center and then we'll place those after scaling and rotating if required. And after that, we'll learn to add hatches. So first I'll set the block layer as the current layer. Here I'll add the kitchen slab first. So type L and press enter. Take 2 feet 6 inch extension upwards from the endpoint snap as shown. 7 feet 6 inches towards right. Then 3 feet 6 inch upwards and then click at this perpendicular snap and then right click to create the slab. Now I'll open the design center and add blocks in the floor plan. So type ADC and press enter or press Ctrl key and add the key together. Open ENUS folder. Here it is, design center. So open this. Expand design center from here. Now click on home space planner, double click on blocks and here it is. Now I'll just drag the blocks in the drawing space. Then we will scale and rotate the blocks and place these. Then open Home Designer, then blocks and then drag the elements you want. Then kitchen, blocks again and then drag as shown. So that's all. Now I'll close the design center window. So to place the bed, select it, give move command, press enter. I'll always turn the ortho off by pressing F8 while moving these blocks. Then click inside this and click over here to place it as shown. Now select the sofa, rotate it by 180 degrees. While rotating, always turn the ortho on. Rotate this one as well as shown. Then I'll move these. So while moving, I'll turn the ortho off again. So place the sofas as shown. You can manipulate these blocks. You can place it wherever you want. Now I'll put the table at the center. First I'll scale it to make it a bit smaller. So type SC and press enter. Select it. Press enter again. Click anywhere to specify base point. Then I'll add a scale factor. I'll give 0.75 and press enter. And it becomes 75% of the actual table. I'll scale it a bit further. Then I'll rotate it. Then I'll place it at the center. So done. In this way, you have to place all the blocks. You just have to use scale and rotate command and then move the blocks at appropriate positions. So just do it as shown. Now I'll add the wall hatch. So set the wall hatch layer as the current layer. Then type H and press enter. And then click inside this boundary. Let me check the layer once again. So I'll just click. I'll select the solid hatch pattern. Here I'll change the layer again to wall hatch. Then click inside the other boundaries as shown. Not working, so I'll leave this for now. I'll add this one. Leave this one as well. If some boundaries are not working, don't worry. Just exit hatch and retry. It will surely work. But if you know why this thing happens, comment below, because even I want to know what is this error about. Anyways, we have added the hatch successfully. Another part will come soon where we will complete the annotation part and the door and window schedule as well. So I hope all have enjoyed this video. So do like and share so that I can create more tutorials like this. So everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.